Hey guys, this is Anya. Welcome back to my video. Are you looking for lithium-ion battery for your ultralight aircraft or the multicopter or the VTL in highest energy density? Yes, today I bring you guys the highest energy density of lithium-ion cell for you guys. Yes, this one in my hand. The brand of the cell is CATL, CATL, and the cell is in my hand. This is the brand new cell. The thickness of the cell is 31 millimeter. The length of the cell is 265 millimeter. The height of the cell is not included in the standard height. The height is 91 millimeter. The weight of the cell is only 1.7 kilogram. So calculated energy density, the energy density can reach 277 watt-hour per kilogram. It is the really highest energy density in the market at present. And let's do a sample testing for the voltage and internal resistance to see the details of it. The internal resistance is 0.5 milliohm. Voltage is 3.576 millivolt. Internal resistance is 0.51 milliohm. Voltage is 3.578. The internal resistance is 0.49 milliohm. The voltage is 3.569 volt. So you can see the difference between each of the cell. The internal resistance is within 0.05 milliohm between each of the cell, and the voltage is between is between 10 millivolt between each of the cell. Yes, if you buy the cell from us, we will balance the voltage internal resistance for you guys. And back to the cell, it is the highest energy density in the market at present. So if you are looking for high energy density for your application, actually most application is ultralight aircraft or the multicopter or the VTL. Yeah. This one is very suitable for because the weight is only 1.7 kilogram, and we have already laser welding standard on it. You can have a look. This is the M6 standard. This is the M6 standard. Different standard all available in our company, and our quotation is with the free standard for you guys. So if you are interested in such high energy density lithium-ion cell, please contact with us really. We can provide you the specification for your reference. And see you in this video. Bye bye.